Okay, go, go.
My team and I will now present our proposed web solution, DeployEase. Meet the CEOs. We have Aloysius, Augustus, Bojun, and Sing Er. Our company is a web agency that helps clients to develop and host websites. Currently, we are using third-party tools such as GoDaddy to host websites. Assumptions made are 20 new client engagements monthly on average and 50 clients being serviced monthly on average. We have a total of 500 existing clients. Our platform is designed to enable rapid deployment of static websites, acting as a quick hosting tool similar to Netlify or Heroku. By leveraging AWS cloud services, we ensure that the solution is not only scalable and secure, but also cost efficient. In essence, our goal is to simplify the process for developers to host their websites without dealing with the complexities of the traditional server setups.
In this slide, we break down the key functionality of the applications. So the user start by securely authenticating using AWS Connector, and then you can upload a zip package containing their static site files. The application will automatically process the upload, extract the contents, and deploy the site to a unique subdomain. Additionally, a real-time dashboard keeps user updated on the deployment status, while seamlessly integration with AWS services like S3, Lambda, and API Gateway to ensure efficient backend operations. Next. So this slide explaining the underlying cloud architecture of our applications. We leverage AWS cloud services using Lambda for serverless execution, S3 for scalable storage, Connector for secure user authentication, and API Gateway for routing. The architecture follows a PaaS and serverless model to ensure rapid development and minimal operation overhead. On the backend, Node.js is deployed using AWS Elastic Beanstalk, while our front end is built with React using Vite, providing a fast and efficient user experience. Additionally, multi-exec deployment coupled with load balancing and auto-scaling guarantees high availability and resilience, while Amazon S3 securely manage user uploaded static content. Next. So in this slide, we outline our design justifications. Our architecture ensures scalability and high availability through auto-scaling and multi-exec deployments, while robust security measures like AWS Connector and strict S3 policies to protect our user data. We also achieve cost efficiency through a serverless, pay-as-you-go model that minimizes unnecessary expenses. And our development simplicity is enhanced by using managed services, allowing our team to focus on core business logic. This approach not only speeds up development, but also support rapid iterations. Additionally, our modular design enables future enhancements without overhauling the systems, keeping us agile as business needs evolve. By leveraging AWS Amplify, we benefit from its integration with Amazon Global CDN networks, which ensure our content is delivered quickly and reliably across the globe, further enhancing the overall performance and user experience of our applications. Next, I'll pass my time to August.
Okay, so I'm Augustus, and now I'll be demoing. Okay, so for here, we can see that we have two websites, left and right. One is the user Ubuntu, another is the user CPC. I'm gonna sign in on both of the website. And our product allows users to upload a zip file, a static site, website, and it will be straight away hosted on another domain given to the user. So as you can see that each user have their own domain, which is different. I'll click on it. Currently, this is the domain that is running, and this is the site. Let's take note that it's C3 on the left, and status is success for now. So now I'm gonna submit a upload. Let's say test one, and I'm gonna press upload. Upon successful upload, if we were to click status, we can see that the deployment status is running. We're gonna wait for a while. And once it's succeeded, we can go back to the site here and we refresh. Look at that it uploaded to A1. Okay. So this works for every different account. Each account has its own subdomain. So let's say for this user on the right, we were to upload number 2. And once it is loading, we can actually see that on AWS side, it is currently deploying, similar to the status. Deploying. Okay, now that I checked the status, it is deployed. And if I were to click on view my website, we can see that the website is now currently B2. So how it flows is that user, when they upload a file, it will directly go into the Lambda function, and the Lambda function will upload the file to S3. Once S3 has successfully been uploaded, it will trigger another Lambda function which will run the uploaded file onto Amplify, AWS Amplify, to load the static content. And that's all for our demo. So now I'll pass on my time to Aloysius, who will talk to you about the cost analysis.
Thank you, Augustus. On this slide, we reflect on how ChatGPT was utilized during our project. ChatGPT provided us with fresh insights and alternative solutions which helped to broaden our perspective. It generated well-structured responses and effectively summarized key points, which saved us valuable time during the planning and development phases. However, we observed that ChatGPT can sometimes fall short in understanding the deeper context of our project's specifics. Its responses tend to be generic, which means for highly complex tasks or niche requirements, additional human insight was necessary. While ChatGPT isn't a one-stop solution for every scenario, it has proven to be very beneficial when used within the right context. It's a useful tool that complements with our expertise. Next. For cost analysis, based on the assumption of 20 new client engagements monthly on average, on this slide, we can see that the yearly costs for GoDaddy and Ionos are around the same price, being $5,365 and $5,096 respectively in US dollar. Next. Our team did a cost estimator for AWS based on our configurations and assumptions. The estimated total comes up about USD 1,561 on a yearly basis. Next. Our solution supports flexibility by configuration and optimization of server resources based on needs. And during high traffic periods, our system automatically scales up to handle increased user demand, ensuring a smooth experience, and scales down when traffic is low for cost savings. Compared to alternatives like GoDaddy and Ionos, cost savings can be up to USD 3,000 to 4,000 every year. The modular design of DeployEase makes it future-proof, ready to adapt to new requirements. To conclude, the company should definitely take up this web solution, as our solution not only meet today's demands, but is also well equipped to handle tomorrow's challenges. Next. Successful project execution was possible due to the contributions of each team member. For Aloysius, the contribution is AWS S3, API Gateway, and performance evaluation on the report side. For Augustus, is setting up AWS Lambda functions and Amplify and front end. Ochun, setting up and deploy in Elastic Beanstalk front end. Xing AWS Cognito, Route 53, and cost analysis on the report. Next. Thank you.